Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to share a Claude chat with your friends, family or colleagues. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content. So thank you very much in advance and let's get started. If you are on desktop, first you have to create a new chat or you have to access an existing chat. Then on the top right hand side, you're going to see the share button. You can click the share button and you can say share with your team or create a public link. Then all you have to do is to copy this link. You can share it on WhatsApp, you can share it through SMS, you can share it on Messenger, you can send this link to people and they will be able to access your Claude chat. If you are on mobile, then you are going to see the share button under your chat where you see these icons. There's going to be a share button and you will be able to do the same thing. Basically, you're going to have the same options. You can create a public link, you can copy this link, you can share it with your friends and family, and that's it. That's how easy it is to share a Claude chat with your friends, family, colleagues, or anyone you like. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.